Are you wondering what the heck is CRO? Today I'm going to explain exactly what CRO is and why conversion rate optimization is important for your company. First things first, stop your advertising and marketing program now. Why spend money if your website is not converting website visitors to becoming leads? Make sure you stick around to the very end because you will view your website in a new way. Thanks for joining me. Today's topic, conversion rate optimization. What is it? CRO simply focuses on finding the ways you can increase conversions with the audience that is already visiting your website. Conversions could be prompting your current prospects to doing things like clicking a call to action, filling out a form, downloading an asset like a white paper, engaging with your website chat box, watching a video. Ultimately, CRO activities are aimed at getting more of your existing visitors to take those actions so sales can get more leads. So why is implementing CRO important for your company? You've already made a considerable investment in time and money to get people to come to your website. You may be driving online traffic through non-digital marketing like advertising in industry publications, attending trade shows, or email marketing. Or maybe you have a website team who spends time working on creating content, SEO, referral links, posting on social media, and paid search ads. But all those efforts can be wasted if your website isn't converting visitors into sales inquiries and your phone doesn't ring. Rather than focusing on doing more of the same things and expecting different results, turning your attention to improving tactics to convert your existing website traffic before spending more on marketing to new prospects. If you were a local store owner and 100 people came into your store and immediately left, you'd take action. But when visitors come to your website, often internal marketing teams don't know the actions to take to fix the problem. That's where SmartFinds Marketing can help. We've been doing nothing but digital for nearly 3 decades, and we've developed ways to help business-to-business firms and manufacturers get more out of their existing marketing efforts. Schedule a short 20-minute no-charge and no-commitment conversation today and discover how we've helped companies just like you convert more site visitors to sales. Whether you choose to use us or not, I'm confident you'll discover a new approach to your digital marketing.